I have a bunch of hickory slices on hand. I'm going to use a couple of these to cut them into hearts. I mean, how hard can that be? Cut here, cut here, cut a notch here. I needed a handsaw to cut that hickory, so I went and purchased a 12-point handsaw. It worked really well to cut it. This is my husband's angle grinder, and it made really quick work of smoothing out the points around the heart. I put a link in the description for an inexpensive angle grinder. The hearts are going to go on these wooden dowels. I used a 1/4 inch wooden dowel. It's a nice thickness, not too thin, not too thick. So the idea is to drill a hole in the bottom of the heart and just drop them right on the dowel. I want to put them on the dowel first so I can paint both sides at one time while they're standing up. We'll see how that works. This was so much fun.